Nuestra invitada de hoy es un ejemplo de cómo el amor al arte no entiende de barreras culturales. Ella nació en la República de China. Desde su infancia cultivó distintos talentos. A los 16 años pasa a formar parte del grupo de artistas del ejército chino. Hoy en día está residenciada en la bella isla de Aruba. Es una mujer de pocas palabras. No habla bien el español, pero sí sabe cantar muy bien en la lengua romance. Hoy les presento a Mei Li. Cariñosamente le dicen la China Latina. Gracias por compartir, dale like y suscribirte a nuestro canal de YouTube. Vamos a disfrutar de la China Latina. Bienvenidos a Goriaca en Español.
I come from China, and from China, Xi'an is middle of China. It's a beautiful place. A lot of tourists is there.
¿Qué hacías de niña?
Yes, when I was a little girl, and when I was 3 years, I already knew I'm gonna be a singer. And then when I was 5 years, I started learning singing and violin, piano, and dancer, ballets, and that is in me.
Do you have more brothers and sisters?
Yes, I do. I have one brother and one sister.
¿Y tú eres la número?
I'm in the middle. I have one sister older than me. I have one younger brother. I'm in the middle.
Do they do something with music also?
My brother, yes. My brother also play guitar, and he is very talented.
When you were 16 years, estabas en el ejército de China.
Yeah. When I was 16 years old, with the army as soldier, as artist soldier. I was there service for 3 years.
Y ahí hacías música.
Yes.
¿Y te presentabas para los militares o cómo era la cosa?
Yes, exactly.
En cierto punto decides emigrar para Europa. ¿Cómo es eso? ¿Por qué decidiste emigrar para Europa?
Because one day I saw one concert from Whitney Houston and Celine Dion. And I would really fall in love with this singer. It's amazing talent. And that's what make me feel like I want to go to Western country. I want to see a different world. I want to learn different music. And that's make me go to Europe.
¿Cuántos años tenías en ese entonces?
I was like 22 years old.
What did your parents say when you told them that you wanted to leave to Europe?
Yes, because they support me, because they knew that's my dream, and they support me. But I have a lot of guts to go.
¿A cuál país de Europa emigraste?
The first place I went to Holland. I was used to singing in Holland.
¿Y estudiaste aquí en Holanda? ¿Cuánto tiempo estuviste?
I was in Holland 2 years. I've been singing different places, like Holland Casino. I used to sing like a concert also Mercanti in Amsterdam, and in Hanoi, Rotterdam, a different place. That's an amazing experience.
But you didn't go to any conservatory to study singing or anything?
Yes, I went, first to in Den Haag music school, but it was a little bit difficult for me, the language, because I didn't speak Dutch, and my English was not so good. And that's why I used to sing with the band, and we're traveling in all Europe, Italy, Paris, Germany, different places.
En China, cuando estuviste allá, ¿cantabas también canciones así de inglés o cantabas únicamente canciones en chino?
And actually in China, I only sing Chinese. But when I was in Holland, I started singing English.
Okay. En cierto punto decides también, después de Holanda, que te vas a vivir para Aruba.
Yes, because one day, I went on vacation in Aruba, And yeah, I love fall in love with this island. It's beautiful and beautiful weather, and some the cruise ship they want to send me contract, and that's why I stayed.
Entonces, das presentaciones en los buques turistas.
Yes, I used to sing in like hotel, restaurant, and different events. That's what I do.
¿Y cuándo fue que empezaste a cantar en español?
Yes, more or less like 4 years ago, you know, because I live in Aruba. I listen so much Latin songs. I really love Latin music, and because the rhythm and that's different than Chinese, because Chinese is more soft, more sentimiento, but the Spanish songs make you, you know, a lot of rhythm and make you feel want dance. And that's why I try to start recording Spanish song.
And was that Spanish difficult for you to pronounce and to learn?
Yes, because I sing it better than I speak. Because our language is different. We don't have the R, but the Spanish, you know, mostly they have the R. It's difficult for me to pronounce. But you know, you practice, you know. I mean, so when I'm singing, people said, "Oh, we like your accent." It's a little bit the accent, and people like it.
Ahorita ya grabaste una canción en español, Caliente.
Yes.
Cuéntame un poco de Caliente.
Okay, Caliente is one of the singer, and actually she's an excellent singer. Her name is Mary Jo. She's from Venezuela, and you know we are friends. One day we sit there and we said, "Oh, let's write some songs." And she and me, we both wrote that song. It was very quickly in a half hour, and we wrote that lyric. And this year I went to Colombia and I have a good producer, and he produced the beat. And I recorded the song in Colombia this year.
And how is it going with Caliente?
Yeah, Caliente is getting really, really hot, the song. And the song promotes different playlists and in Amazon Music, in iTunes. And now it's top 100 Latin song, number 77.
What are your plans?
My plans is continue to do more good songs and to finish my album, and also to try different kind of music. Yeah, I think just to do more good songs.
Are you working with some producers? And how many songs are going to be on your new CD?
At least I need, you know, this year, at least I need 5 songs finish on this year, and next year also 5 songs.
¿Para cuándo vas a sacar la producción?
And I have a next new song, it's called Mango, which is also fruit. And the songs I sing along, Spanish, English, and Chinese, 3 language. I think it's come out next month. I think it's ready.
¿Es la idea también para llevar tu música a tu patria, a China?
Yes, that's the idea. You know, I'm working on that.
¿La producción completa vas a llevar o también cada vez que saques una canción lo mandas por allá?
Yes, because, you know, I want Chinese people to know the Latin music. And also right now I'm doing it's the song mix with the 3 language, for example, English, Spanish, and Chinese. It's something different.
¿Qué aspiras?
My goal is, I think, just my music, a lot of people like it, enjoying that.
¿Quieres mandar un saludo para tu público de habla hispana?
Yes, thank you very much for today. I have the interview from all the your audience, and I hope you follow me if you like my music. Follow me in my Instagram, also my YouTube. It's Mali Official, China Latina. Thank you, Greta. Thank you very much.
May dice que es como que el universo la envía oportunidades. Ella participó en la canción Vente conmigo de la banda venezolana O Positiva. Mucha suerte le deseamos a la China Latina y esperamos muy pronto que salga la producción completa. Gracias por darle like, gracias por compartir y suscribirte a nuestro canal de YouTube. Que Dios me los bendiga y hasta la próxima. ¡Chao!